some pictures because I'm looking hella buff.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be this Eid look. I did a poll, is it called a poll? Whatever, on Instagram, and I asked you guys what look you guys want to see. All you guys voted for a summer look and not the glitter look, because I love glitter, if you know me. But I still added a bit of glitter in it, like a shimmer glitter in the middle, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. I want to wish you guys a happy Eid Mubarak. I hope you guys enjoy it with your family, friends. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and make sure that you subscribe, like and comment. If you want to follow me on my socials, then it'll be down here. So yeah, so guys, I've already did my eyebrows and I corrected under my eyes, like on my cheeks and stuff. So the next thing we're gonna do is use the Revolution, there we go, the Revolution concealer on top of our eyelids, just to prime them a little bit. And I just blend it in with your finger. So the palette that we're going to use today is this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. It has a lot of summery colours. I asked on Instagram, I did like a poll on what you guys wanted to see, specifically like what look you guys wanted. So a lot of you guys said a summer look, so I thought why not use this palette and like use like these summery like colours. So hopefully it works out. So the first colour that we're going to go into is this one, and it's called the Desert Sand, just to set our concealer. So after that we're going to go into this colour, and then it's called Amber. And then we're going to use this colour to blend it all out with a blending brush. Next colour that we're going to go into is this red one, and it's called Saffron.
German. Got some bad beats singing in a German. In a German, in a German. In a German, a whip in a foreign car. In a German, in a German. In a German.